from the family of the president of Syria. You know that the last president of Syria who just left a few days ago and moved to Russia, his uncle who left the country because he was going to get killed. So, you know, he came here, you know, when the brother was still in the power. They had a bad relationship. They were good friends, and then they became enemies. And he built this beautiful resort. So great albeit, very exclusive. They have their own security. A lot of the people who live there, they're from different Arab countries. You know that the many members of the Saudi Arab family have beautiful properties. Later, we're going to grab next to the palace of the kings of Saudi Arabia.
We are in Puerto Banús. We are going to the marina over there to see all the luxury yachts. This is a very expensive area for rich people, and this is the Julio Iglesias Street. This area was inaugurated in 1970. It's beautiful, really beautiful here, and the weather is amazing. We are in the 50s degree Fahrenheit. It's not cold.
What makes it different is the architecture. Pay attention to it. You know, they were built in the 1970s, and the idea of the architect was to build a small Spanish-looking farming village. See, the villages in Spain, they look like this, with not very high buildings, 2, 3 floors. They added one more here, but look at these ones. Whitewash, always whitewash. Why whitewash? Well, it's the town.
This is all expensive for rich people in front of the marina with all the
Now, look,
yachts.
this is a good point to stop. See how many coffee shops. If you come later in the evening, that's when this is full of people, you know. You come to have a drink. And look, this is the most, let's say, luxurious area of the port, where we have the biggest yachts. The closer we get to the end, the bigger they are, the boats. You know how many vessels can we get in this port? Almost, it doesn't get to 1,000, about 990 of them. And they're trying to enlarge it. Why? Because we have people from many countries who like to come to live here. Let me tell you something anecdotic, maybe not tonight, but it's a reality. You know, in the last 20 years, a lot of Russians.
Hasta yo creo que hasta de Venezuela tienen aquí.
Es lo más probable.
¿Cómo lo estacionan?
El pelo, mira. Están pegados.
Oh wow, this is huge. Maria Jose. Wow, it's beautiful. It's amazing. And this one, the Survivor. Wow.
Survivor.
Oh wow, look at this one.
You had a pretty good party now. You had a pretty good party now.
Amazing, right?
No kidding.
Wow.
There's your car.
Look at this one too.
Yeah. Very nice.
They have even a small boat.
Yeah.
Wow.
You make a great homeless shelter.
I wanna be rich.
Homeless shelter.
Yeah, put your tent on there.
Yep.
And luxury stores. This is really beautiful. Puerto Banús. Banús.
Coffee shop, and where is of course the station, Metro.
Por aquí, lo veo disponible aquí.
Amazing view.
So that's Rock Gibraltar. No, I don't think so.
Gibraltar now.
So which is the Rock Gibraltar?
So if you take look at the tower. Can you see the lighthouse?
Yeah. To the left.
On the left.
Yeah.
That's Gibraltar.
Okay.
Gibraltar, over there.
The tower. This brown tower.
El estrecho de Gibraltar, por donde pasamos hace días en el cruise ship para ir a Marruecos y esa zona de por allá.
Oh, left.
Left.
No, I mean the right hand side of the rock.